What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see, I'm already back in the shop. I'm going to be replacing the leaf spring shackles. I'm going to be replacing, I have drop shackles on there right now, as I'll show you, but I'm going to be replacing them with the stock OEM shackles. And I finally got the right hardware to install the shock extenders. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the way the truck sits now. As you can see, the back sits pretty low. We're going to be raising it back up an inch. So I'll go ahead and raise the truck up and I'll show you guys everything that we're going to be doing. Alright guys, so here is the drop shackle. I'm already down to my second notch, so this is 1 inch and this is 2 inches up here. My truck is so low that it's bottoming out on the frame. It's hitting the bed. I don't know where it's hitting, but whenever I go over deep bumps, it hits pretty bad. So I'm hoping once we get this off and we replace it with the OEM one, the problem goes away. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I just finished up the first one. I got the first one installed. So I got the hardware now to install the shock extenders. We got the OEM shackle on, and I had to go to Home Depot to get all extra hardware. If you're gonna be attempting a job like that, I recommend you get extra hardware, because I had to go to the store a couple different times to get some hardware. But yeah, so this is what I ended up needing. I ended up needing a bolt to go all the way through to the stock shock mount, so we can get this bottom one in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, this one still has the adjustable shackle, the lowering shackle, and no shock extender. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything up, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you how it looks when we load the truck on the ground. All right guys, so I'm all done. I got the stock shackle back on both sides, along with the shock extenders. Everything is all tightened down on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and drop the truck now. Is. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right guys, so there she is. We raised it up an inch, so hopefully no more bottoming out. Right now we're gonna go take this truck and we're gonna go drive over the same bump that we recorded the first time, and we're gonna see if it still bottoms out. So as you can see, installing the OEM shackles and the shock extenders really helped with my bottoming out. I don't bottom out anymore, as you guys can tell. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.